Angela.
Ma'am Angela Alexo. Thank you so much, ma'am. Actually, wala kami sa question. It's because very mother tongue ang imong pag-discuss. Grabe ka Ilonggo. Kag may word di manan. Kaya ako nabi balaan ang word. So sa imo manan, pagid mas dalong pa na ang manan sa balaan. Also, thank you so much for this opportunity to our kay Sir Dicontoro. Our CDS1 and CDO designated, Sir Romeo Dicontoro, for this opportunity. Actually, we will not be here kung hindi siya required sa co-op. So it is a mandatory training para po sa ating na mga cooperative para isa ka requirements for CDA kag sa iban pa in processing our requirements. So madamo gid salamat especially kanina as we go through pagsulod pa lang sa ating registration. Siyempre mga gwapo ang ara dito sa registration area na nag-register. We do also appreciate the sound. Kaya medyo clear po siya. Kaina sa mga activity which was all participated by the members of the cooperative. At the same time po, ang pinaka namin pagid kay hindi kami nagutman, why di kami napasmo, it's because libre ang pagkaon and yun nga, free. So madamo gid wala gid pala kayo. Kaya ang ato nang gid secure, kay libre man secure talaga ang ato nga attendance kay amo gito ang required para sa report ni sir. And I think part of this training kasi we participated this automatic kasali na po ang aming tree planting which is also mandatory sa co-op po na magkakaroon ng tree planting. So automatic may aral na kita certificate para sa GAD at the same time automatic may training naman kita may aral na kita activity for the tree planting. And of course aton naman nga MC, Secretariat, dapat no, overall mo siya actually, kinakita ko kaina sa tanan-tanan si ma'am na. So congratulations, and thank you so much for this opportunity being here, and God bless po sa ating kanan.
Thank you so much, ma'am, sa very impressive na speech. Na-appreciate na naman ang inyong participation dito sa ating training program. So kung hapon, we learn na mental health matters. Even ano pa ang aton nga edad, dapat kabalo kita ang aton nga mental health always good na matter. Kag dapat may araman kita sa equity, kag respect sa aton nga work, may araman kita sa better nga communication or good communication. Dapat mag-work kita together. And then, dapat wala sang inferior kag superior mano sa isa kag isa. Dapat balaan naton nga ang babae kag lalaki may ara sang equal nga karapatan. Kag isa man sa na-learn ko man as a listener dira sa likod mga we do not demand respect. We earn it regardless of our position or social status. Okay. Now let's proceed sa ating awarding. As a gesture of gratitude and recognition, we shall now proceed with the awarding of certificates to our resource speaker and participants. May we call on Mr. Romeo C. Dicontoro to facilitate the awarding of a certificate. Certificate of Appreciation is awarded to Ma'am Angela D. Calixto, RSW, in grateful recognition of her invaluable time, effort, and expertise as guest speaker during the Gender Sensitivity Training Program held on October 28, 2025 at Senator Lily Aquino Municipal Gym. Your insightful contribution and inspiring words have greatly enriched the participants' understanding of gender equality, inclusivity, and empowerment. Your dedication to sharing your knowledge has played a vital role in the success of this program. Given this 28th day of October 2025 at Sanatorio Aquino Sultan Kudarat. Signed, Romeo C. Di Contorong, CDS1 MCDO designated.